Good evening and welcome back to the channel on what is a freezing cold night in the Bay Area. I'm in my garage, it's cold here, this is why I'm wearing my jacket. But that's not what we're here to talk about. What we're here to talk about today is my vlogging setup for my motorcycle. If you guys have been watching the channel, you probably heard that the last time I tried to vlog on my motorcycle, it was a complete fail and there was a lot of problems with the audio. So I did some research and I think I picked up the right equipment. I'm gonna try to do this the right way and not try to cheap out and also make things easier on myself. When I was trying to vlog last time on the motorcycle, I had a piece of audio equipment, which I'll keep out of this because I don't want to give any negative reviews, and also the GoPro, which is a great piece of equipment. But when in post-production trying to sync the two audios, that was an issue. The other issue was the recorder was only recording on one side. I don't know if what happened there, but I figured reason number one was good enough for me to just say let's just ditch that. I'll spend the extra $45–50 for the GoPro adapter to attach a microphone. And also in my research I found what I think might be a great alternative to the other equipment I was using, as far as a microphone that goes into my helmet so that I can vlog while I'm riding. I've yet to try it, but if by the time you're watching this there is, or there should be, an example of what it sounds like when I'm riding, the link should be down in the comments, so look for that. And yeah, we'll give this all a shot, but today's episode is really to just set it up together. Now, the things you're gonna need are, obviously, you're gonna need a GoPro. You're gonna need the GoPro microphone adapter. And also what you're gonna need is a microphone. Now, the little bit of extra sauce on this one is I've decided to go ahead and purchase a alternative case for the GoPro, which allows you to place the adapter inside of the case as well. It also has a cold shoe, which we'll get into later. And yeah, we're gonna set this up right now. And there's multiple ways you could go about this. One is you can mount your GoPro camera directly onto your helmet. I do have an adapter here, but it was meant mainly for the smaller GoPro, which is not what I'm going to use. And the way I'm going to set it up, or at least try it out, is with the GoPro chest mount. Now, from what I've seen in reviews, the microphone wire should be long enough to go through my jacket and into my helmet from the chest mount where the GoPro will be mounted while I'm riding. So we're just going to do mainly a setup of the microphone into the helmet, give that a shot. Maybe I'll do some testing of just the microphone itself without it actually being in the helmet, and we can see what that sounds like. Yeah, let's get into it right now.
Okay, so first what we're gonna start off with is taking out the alternative GoPro case. Now this one I got off of Amazon. I'll throw the link in the description. And this is the Artman V2 vlogging gear. Okay. So, throw that off, and okay. So this is a plastic. The way it's supposed to work, I think this cold shoe, yeah, you should be able to just throw something right up top. Yeah, you should have your record button up here, and your power button to the side. This is where the adapter goes into, slides in there, and I believe it slides into the bigger side, obviously. And then you got this where we have to take out the door to have this connected. And this should slide open, let's see. Yep, slides right out. But pretty snug, it actually locks into place, so that's good. That was one of my worries, that this might just slide right out, but that's tough enough, right? Tough stuff. Okay, now this is also gonna be a lesson on taking off this door here. Since we need to take this adapter and connect it here of all time, you don't want to yank this off this way, you don't want to yank it out this way. So what we kind of do is, it's at an angle, it's sort of like a hook. There you go. See that? See that right there? So that just hooks back in there into that little thing, that little metal piece right there. With this enough force, you just pull that out. Okay, so that's That's now open, so you could keep your adapter in there while you're riding. This should go right in. There it is. Get this back in. Nice and snug. That's not coming off at all. Okay, so you see that's exposed. Everything's exposed where it's supposed to be exposed. You'll be good to go. All right, so next we're gonna open up. This is from GoPro. I believe there are some that you could get are aftermarket, but I wouldn't really recommend it, and that's without trying, but it's also from my research. This not only connects the microphone into here, but it also gives you, I think, some other options as far as the volume, something like that. We can go into that later, but yeah, I would recommend going with the GoPro adapter. Just pay the extra money for it, and it should be good. Okay, all that opening is okay. I thought it was going to come with something else, but yeah. All right. This has a nice. This is actually the first time I've held the GoPro adapter, and it's got like a nice rubbery feel. But anyways, this should be able to fit right through here, but I think we need to feed this through, right? Because this is going to connect to this side, so we're going to feed that through. Oh, okay, go the other way. All right. So that's gonna go in there. This slides on through in the DMs. And that's pretty snug. Like, I'm trying to push the other way out, and you really need to force it out. Whoop, moving around here. Okay, so that's snug. I'm not afraid that's going anywhere. So no worries there. Now this should be able to connect right into here. Now this is the part where I've seen people do like some twisties here, like that. Yeah, I like that. That'll work. So now that's connected there. Now, just a heads up. From doing my research, I've heard that what you want to do is have this unplugged, turn it on, then plug it in. And what that's gonna do is tell the GoPro, mic check, we're using another mic. So we'll just leave that on for now. And that should be a nice little setup. Next, obviously, the microphone. Okay, Purple Panda. Good experience so far. I haven't even used the microphone, and I'm saying good experience so far, and I'm talking about the customer service. I'll throw the link in the description for where I bought this on Amazon, and these people were really nice. They emailed me almost immediately, and they gave me a downloadable book on newbies to recording videos. That's probably not the title, but I thought it was a wonderful gesture, and their communication is great. So far, good customer service. All right, so you get this nice little pouch, and open that up. See what we got. Okay, that's empty. There's a little clip, so if I want to use it when I'm walking around and talking, or maybe inside the car, I could do that. You got your what's called a dead cat, or like a wind deflector. I'm definitely going to be using this because we're going to be on the bike. There's going to be a lot of air. So the dead cat for the mic. Okay. I'm just gonna take all this out. Ooh, okay. In case we got some issues, we're here to help. See what I'm saying? Good customer service. Compatibility guide. Oh, this is awesome because this tells you right here, if you want to go into your GoPro, guess what, folks? You can't just go straight in. You're gonna need a couple more adapters to go in there. But we'll make sure that works. But this is helpful. I like that. Okay. Thanks for joining the Purple Panda family. Give you a free gift. That is awesome. See what I'm saying? Okay. And the microphone actually didn't cost that much either, so it's a huge win. All right, you got an adapter here. Your super long adapter there. Another adapter here. This is probably for your smartphone. Nope, that's for something else. We'll see. All right. And the microphone itself right there. Already has a clip. Whoa, shoot. Okay, so I think this is probably an extra clip of some sort. Yeah, okay, that's an extra. All right. So this essentially should just plug right into here, the adapter. But again, you're gonna need another adapter for that. So I believe what's gonna happen is this goes into here. Okay. Now this, and these all have names. I'm not gonna. You could probably look down below. I'll write down what they're called, or maybe I'll type it out here. But yeah, basically this will now go into here. And I should mention, going back to the GoPro microphone adapter, is that you also have a slot here to charge it. If that's the way you charge it. I have extra batteries with me, so I usually am not charging it, but you could while the microphone's in, since this will be taking up this spot over here. So now you're set up here. I think before I try this out with the helmet on, we'll give it a quick little test on its own, and we'll do that right now. Okay, this is the test of the microphone. Now I have it connected to the GoPro, and I have the microphone right behind my mouth. Now I'm gonna have it clipped down here, and we'll see how the audio sounds. I'm not speaking too loudly now. This is actually my whispering voice. This is my indoor voice when I'm in a library. And this is probably what it's gonna sound like when I'm in the helmet. Maybe, we'll see. I mentioned earlier, if you have the actual GoPro adapter, now it gives you a few more options right in here. And then you'll see that you have the standard microphone. You also have a standard microphone plus, and a couple other options here as well. These are powered mic. In case you have a powered microphone, these are all things that will work when you have this connected. So yeah. Okay, so that was the test of the audio with this. Now, this wire seems, I think it'll be long enough. I don't think that I need the adapter to go from the chest mount on up. So we'll do that. We'll connect this to the chest mount, and then we'll also, why am I saying we? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna connect this to the chest mount, and then we'll try to get into the helmet and see what that sounds like with the helmet on. Let's do that right now. I'm gonna start it off simple. I'm just gonna clip this onto here. This should essentially hold, and at least for the test, just to see what it sounds like with the helmet on. But I think the smartest thing to do is not keep it here for when you're riding the motorcycle, all the air will go in. Instead, I think what I'll do is I'll try to run it through in here and have it sit near my cheek or somewhere around there, already inside the helmet with the dead cat, as opposed to just this. But this is just to try it out, and we'll see what this looks like and what it sounds like right now. Okay, so this is a test with the microphone inside the helmet. We'll see how that sounds. And as you can see, I have this connected here onto my chest. So we'll just see what that sounds like. And this is what this looks like. But yeah, we'll give it a shot, see what it sounds like. Alright folks, so that seemed to work pretty well, but I still think we should, well not, I think I know we're going to have to put this dead cat on there. So, for those who don't know, dead cat is just something you put on your microphone to take away any like wind noises and things like that. And obviously in here it's not windy, so that's why it sounded the way it did. But when we're going to be on that motorcycle, it's going to be loud because of the bike, and it's going to be windy. So with these helmets, you could sort of pull these down by the cheek, and I think the best bet is to stuff this through there. And now, I don't think that's gonna go anywhere, although I could probably clip it on somewhere inside there, and it should be good to go. Okay, so now I'm speaking quietly in the microphone. We'll close the helmet up, it's gonna get foggy in here.
sorry. But yeah, now I'm trying it on with the dead mouse, and also I connected to my cheek here, so we'll see what this sounds like. And yeah, we'll check it out.
All right, so I think this is the setup I'm going to be happy with to begin with. This on the chest mount, and it's going through the cheek of the helmet, right through here. This is nothing permanent, but it's not going anywhere, giving me the best audio, hopefully, when I'm writing. But we'll check that out. Again, that link should be in the description to see what that comes out like. And yeah, I think that should be it for now. This is just a quick little setup of what I'm going to be vlogging with. Be good. And then I'll have the smaller camera pointed at me on Ducati, so we'll see what that comes out like with as well. This won't have any audio on it though at all.
All right, folks, so that's gonna do it for this episode. We did things a little bit different. It wasn't more of a vlog, it was more of a setup. But yeah, make sure to check out the video where I actually use the microphone. I vlog. I'm going to talk about some subjects that I want to talk about while I was on the bike that were bike related. And yeah, if you like the video, if you like the setup, or just, you know, for the heck of it, give that a like for the video. That definitely helps. More than anything though, one of my goals for this year is to get at least 1,000 subscribers, and at the moment I think I'm in the 300s. So yeah, make sure to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. Just go on there and hit that subscribe button, and also share it with anyone that might like this content or might like the setup. Please comment and let me know what you think, and see if you have any other suggestions on the setup, what kind of setup you have. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Later.